All right, so based on the video generating triplets, choose two numbers for x and y other than 1 and 2 because those are the ones that they use in the video that generate a Pythagorean triplet. So there are a bunch of different numbers that you can pick for this. Um, let's go ahead and check out one, maybe two examples. So what they talked about in the video is that if I want to find a Pythagorean triple, I can find one of the legs by taking x squared minus y squared. I can take another, or I can find another leg by taking 2xy, and then I can find the hypotenuse by taking x squared plus y squared. Okay, so if I follow this pattern, that'll actually give me the Pythagorean triples or the sides of a right triangle when I pick numbers for x and y. So for the first one, let's go ahead and let's say that x equals 3. Nope, x equals 4. Sorry, x has got to be greater than y here. So x is 4 and y is 3, and let's see what happens. So for x squared minus y squared, we end up with 4 squared is 16, minus 3 squared is 9, and that gives us a side of 7. 2xy is 2 times 4 times 3, which is 2 times 12, so we get 24. And then the last one, x squared is 16, plus y squared is 9. That's going to give me 25. And there's one of those common Pythagorean triples we messed with. Let's do one more example here. Pick a couple other numbers for x and y. So let's say x is, I don't know, let's say x is 6. We'll just bump it up a little bit here. And y is 5. So we'll pick 6 and 5. All right, one of the legs is x squared, so that's 36, minus y squared, that's 25. So that gives me 11 for one of the sides. 2 times x times y gives me 2 times 30, which is 60. And then x squared plus y squared. And that gives me 61. So while it may not be a common one, 11, 60, and 61 is another Pythagorean triple.